the truth.
Hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you see me talk weird or look funny, I'm very sorry. I just got back from my dentist and my left cheek and part of my mouth is so numb that I can't feel if I'm drooling. So if I do, just please tell me in the comments. I know it won't help, but if I will drool in this video, I am very sorry. This is painful. As I said, I just got back from my dentist and I got a package in the mail. This bad boy that says a fragile all over it. And this is, I'm guessing, a package from Colourpop. I'm so excited to open it up with you guys because, well, I actually never touched a Colourpop product in my life. I'm repeating myself, but I want to remind you that I live in Israel and
it's like the end of the world. It's like I'm in limbo and nothing gets to me. It feels like I'm living in another dimension and everything is getting here so slow and some things are never getting here, so you have to somehow find those things and order them, and you wait and you wait and you wait until it gets to you finally.
So shortly I'm just gonna open up this package with you and we'll see what's inside.
Okay, a lot of paper. That's actually great. Okay, here's my candy.
What do I do without you? XOXO Colourpop. This is so cute. So the first thing that I've got is a palette. And as you can see, everything is wrapped really nicely. The packaging is great. And the fact that they said fragile on the packaging just made my day because they care about what you get. This is the Golden State of Mind Shadow Palette. Here we have 15 shades, 10 grams each. This is how it looks. I love the packaging. If you don't know yet, you should know that Colourpop is cruelty-free, and that is awesome. So yes, this is the palette. And we have the names on the back of it. They are gorgeous. They are beautiful. And let's just swatch a couple of those.
Try this one. And this one. You know what? Let's try this one too. And let's try this one. I think the colors are beautiful. Let's swatch them on my hand. Oh my god, the pigment, and yes, now you see the green, yay, now you can see it, and this one looks almost purple now. I love those colors.
The second palette that I got, and again in this bubble wrap, this is great. Everything is in great condition as I see it right now. And this is the All I See Is Magic Shadow Palette. This is how it looks. Also, it's really beautiful. Again, you have the shades on the back like this. I love the color of this packaging. It's turquoise with a little bit of white and the gold. And we open up. This is funny, I show you the colors before I see them. Those are beautiful too. Let's try, I have to try the green one.
I have to try it. This one is, and we have a couple of matte shades here too. The other one was all shimmery, and this palette has a couple of matte ones, and I want to try a couple of them, like this one. And What else? What else? What is screaming your name? Tell me. I want to try this one. Here. Okay, I'll just show you first. This one is gorgeous, the green one. It looks like it has a brown base, almost red kind of base. Those colors, the shimmers are gorgeous. The mattes are beautiful too. And we'll see on the swatch how they... Oh my god. This is beautiful. The green one, I just died. I adore this color.
These are so damn pigmented. Even the lighter one, I didn't think it would be so pigmented. Okay, this one stains your skin, so beware.
Watch out, watch out. The cat is trying to get into the box. This one, this cat, this kitty. You want some attention? Yes.
So, as you can see, the colors are beautiful. This is not all. I also ordered a couple of, how do you call them? Super Shock shadows. I heard so much about those and I wanted to try them so bad.
Oh, wait. Oh, that's a bummer. One is crashed. Okay.
That's a bummer. Can you see it? Such a mess. Okay, this is the health light.
Put me on your face. This is so cute. Keep the magic in closed jar tightly after use. The packaging is so damn cute. I love it. But why is it broken? This is such a shame. And I don't know if those kind of shadows will work with alcohol. This is gorgeous. I want to be very careful not to drop this, but oh my god. So much shimmer.
I never touched something like this. This sounds so bad. But I never actually touched a shadow that felt like this. And this... Oh my god.
And I'm gonna pee my pants right now. This is so beautiful and it goes on like butter.
It's not my day. Another one broken. This is new magic.
Colourpop, what are you doing to me? This is so pretty. Okay, let's move on.
Here we have Stargirl. Beautiful shade. This one is goodish. Also very beautiful. You know what? Let's try this one. The feeling of those, and it moves inside. It's like, yeah, and I already ruined the pattern. Okay.
Look at this. It's like touching butter. Okay, this is more... No, I wouldn't say the sheer. Yeah, it's a little bit more sheer with the color. And the shine is gorgeous. I really never touched a shadow with this kind of texture. That's very interesting.
I got a couple more. I've got Babykins. I don't know how to say this, but this is the shade and this is how it's spelled. Sleigh bells. This is the shade. Another thing that I really wanted to try by Colourpop is the Supernova shadows. I heard from some beauty blogger that those are almost dupes to the Stila shadows, liquid glitters, but much cheaper. I think it was many. I'm not sure, but this is how it looks. And I got one in the shade Running in Orbits. Let's try it. This is beautiful. I don't know why, but for me now everything on the camera looks much better than in real life. I don't know why. What a bling. And the shade is beautiful too. It's a little bit orange.
I don't know how to call it. It's like this brown, orangey, but again, it's not too warm.
The last thing that I got was the You're Jam Lip Trio. We have here the shade Misbehaving, Charming, and Catching Feels. Catching Feels. That's very interesting. This one is Misbehaving, and this one I'm guessing is Matte. Ultra Satin Lip, very nice. This is the Ultra Glossy Lip, and this one is called Charming. Very, very nice. It will go very well with this one on the eyes and this one on the lips. I guess this one will go too. And this one is Ultra Satin Lip again. And this is Catching Feels. I would actually like to try it on my lips right now.
Where's my mirror?
This is beautiful, and
I'm sorry, my small mirror is further away from me and I'm so lazy and I have this box on me, so I just used my second mirror on my table. So this is the color
Catching Feels.
It almost sounds like catching fleas, I'm sorry, but the color is beautiful. And again, I'm sorry if I look funny because I can't feel it. I don't feel what I'm doing and I don't even know if it's moving or not.
This was one swipe, like in one go, the whole lips, and it feels very nice. It feels very soft. I almost don't feel anything on my lips, but again, my lips are numb.
Yeah, I put the lipstick really not good. Let me fix it. Okay, I need my small mirror. I'm sorry, the lazy ones go twice. Okay, what did I do here?
Yeah. It's not very good application, but whatever, you should see the color, and it's matte, alright? It's really matte, but it's not drying down like a matte liquid lip, and it feels really nice.
Let's just try it. Yes, it's not smudge proof, and this side is much darker just because I added a little bit and it just didn't dry down yet because I'm lazy and my face is low and I don't feel what I'm doing. So it looks bad, but I don't care. I'm at home and I'm not going anywhere, so I want to cry over these two. This is such a shame. These are so beautiful, especially this one. I was waiting for those for too long and now they're broken.
These shadows are a shadow kit that's called Dusk Till Dawn, so you know.
And you should know that this one has dried down. The liquid eyeshadow, I mean, and it's not going anywhere, it's not smudging, it's like completely dry, and the bling is there. It's very, very shiny, and I love it.
I actually am in love with everything that I have got today, so I'm very happy in total. Even if a couple of eyeshadows were broken. I don't know why, but every time I order something new, something that I never used before, it always comes broken. It happened with BH Cosmetics, it happened with Colourpop. Every first purchase, something is broken. And when I started ordering on Shop Me Say, the same thing happened, and I don't get it. That's really strange, don't you think? Okay guys, sorry for whining, but that's just who I am. I whine.
And my head starts to hurt. It's so good that I finished this video, not yet, but almost, before that happened. My head hurts every time after the anesthesia goes away, and it hurts bad.
So if you like this video and for my anesthesia, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, you can give me a thumbs down. That's your choice, totally. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Make me happy today, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of my next videos.
And I can't say the letter M. This is a little bit hard for me. Never mind.
I hope you had fun, and we will see each other in my next video. Bye guys.
The truth.